Here we have a rechargeable LED light, but it's completely dead now. It used to charge directly from AC power, but at the moment nothing happened. No light, no charging, no indication, nothing at all. When I shake it, I can hear a rattling sound inside, which tells me something is loose or broken. I'm not sure what battery is inside yet, but this kind of sound often comes from an old lead acid battery that has dried out or whose internal plates have fallen apart. Let's open this thing. One screw. 6 screws are open and comes easily. Oh my god. Can I see the burning mark in everywhere? I don't know. What is this? Oh, it burns badly. I don't know how. Oh, no. Multimeter in voltage DC. Check the battery. Okay, I clean all the burning part and all the components from this board. And now I'm going to check this LED with my power supply. 3.2 volt and it's so bright. The LEDs are good. It's a good sign. Now 3.8 volt, 3.5 volt, zero point 0.1, 0.9, zero point 0.1. This one is bad. All of them are below 4 volt. They decharged automatically, so they are not good one. So instead of the original AC charging port, I am repurposing this space for something more useful. I have installed a push button here to control the light. So now the light can be turned on and off manually from this button, and we can also control the brightness with this circuit. And right next to it, I have added a USB Type-C port. Okay, now I'm going to modify this thing because we don't need this switch. We will use this switch, this, and we don't need this port because we will use it. And also another thing, we don't use this red LED because we will use this one instead. So let's do some magic. Yes, switch, port, and LED removed. It's time to connect the switch and port to the circuit. This one is DC negative, this one is DC. At first, clean the soldering positive tip and then tin it properly. Then positive is here, positive connected, and now the negative. Nice. Now check that work or not. Oh, the LED is disconnected, so thought here's our battery, and let's battery negative and battery positive. Nice. And the final piece of this puzzle is our LED light. Let's connect it to our system. Let's assemble this thing. Battery in full brightness. These chips got hot little bit, so I'm going to add a resistor or something in here so the LED cannot draw over current or something. This diode will get hot when it run for a long time, so for safety reason I use this thing. Now we need some hot glue for fix this battery in place. Magic smoke comes from my glue gun. It's gone right now. We don't need this board in here, but I think we can keep it. And finally, the modification is complete. This LED light is now successfully converted. It charges through a USB Type-C port which has a push button with 3-step brightness control including on and off, and it's working perfectly. What was once dead, useless light is now modern, rechargeable, and fully functional device again. And that's always a satisfying result. If you enjoyed this repair and modification, don't forget to like video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves electronics and DIY project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.